When I'm telling you that I've started taking pre-workout, I actually mean it. Big Muscle has just launched an amazing product. This pre-workout has so much more. This is actually dope-free, this is actually gluten-free, and it has so much more, guys. Let's test it and let's work out. I told you this pre-workout is crazy, man. Gives you that focus, and you know, there's so much more, like I said. Big Muscle, shout out to Big Muscle for making this amazing product. Man, I'm loving this. Drop your comments, man. What do you think about this product?